Hello folks, Rich from Have Moto Will Travel here. I'm hunkered down up here in New Hampshire with my wife Sharon. We're enjoying our time together, mostly. And oh boy, I hope she doesn't hear that. Well, she doesn't watch my videos, so I guess she won't. But anyway, we're hunkered down up here in New Hampshire, and we are just trying to get through this difficult time the same way everybody else is. I'm doing it by watching other motovloggers' videos. And I want to say thank you to all those people. All of you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Some other things have happened that I wanted to talk about today. Oh, by the way, see this video that's going right here? That's what I'm watching while I'm recording this. I am not on a bike. I'm down in what I call my studio. And I'm trying to, this is a little bit something different, but I wanted to make a video today. And it snowed 5 inches here in New Hampshire last night. So that's kind of difficult right now. But anyway, so this video is from a ride that I took back in July. This is actually July 24th. And my friend Steve and I went for a ride up Route 100 and up through Vermont, Route 114, and this is Route 102 in Vermont. We are riding it from north to south, and we rode this all the way down to Lancaster. This is a beautiful rider's road. It kind of follows the Connecticut River, and the Connecticut River is really the border between New Hampshire and Vermont. So a quarter of a mile to the left of this is New Hampshire. We rode this down all the way. Anyway, I had this video in my stockpile of video, and I had no audio to go with it. So I decided that instead of sitting in front of a camera and trying to ham it up or trying to read a script that I had written, I would do what I'm kind of used to doing, is watching the road go by and talking. Only difference is I'm doing this with a Audio-Technica AT2020 mic, and I thought I would just run this, watch it, and talk. So something that's happened, I had a viewer and now a subscriber, Harley Moonrider, send me a comment that he was my number 200 subscriber. So I've hit 200 subscribers, folks, and let me just tell you that it has really kind of made me think. I never, ever, ever thought that really kind of anybody would be interested in any of my videos other than maybe my friend Carl and, a few friends of mine. And I am really just humbled by the fact that anybody would watch my videos and take the time to subscribe and leave a comment. And I want to thank Harley Moonrider for putting me at 200. But I want to thank everybody, the other 199 that came before that, for, just supporting me, watching my videos, subscribing to my channel. I appreciate it. I really do. And I want to say again a special thank. I always thank Memphis Mike, because if it wasn't for Memphis Mike, I'm not even sure that I would have ever shot any video. So thanks again, Memphis Mike. You're a big part of all of this. I consider you a friend and a mentor, and I appreciate it. I also want to thank my friend OSJ. Jim, seriously, man, some of my favorite times doing vlogs is the times that we've ridden together. So I appreciate it. So anyway, I also wanted to say that the thing that really has kind of taken me by surprise when it comes to this whole YouTube thing is I really never expected, first of all, as I said, for anybody to watch, but that I would actually get friends out of this. It has really that part of this experience has really taken me by surprise. I just feel like I have so many new friends because I've been riding and motovlogging. And even though a lot of these friends, you guys. Even though I've never met you, I feel that I know you. I mean, comments have turned into emails, and emails have turned into texts, and texts have turned into phone calls, and it's just been the most wonderful thing. And those of you who I haven't spoken to personally, really, I hope to someday. I hope to meet all of you, especially the Moto vloggers, because I know what you guys do. I know what you go through. I know that it's a labor of love. I know that we share that labor, or that love, I should say, and I really appreciate all of you, and I appreciate your comments in particular. Thank you. So all of this, I've been thinking about because I started this. I went public last July 1st of 2019, and man, I'll tell you what, 4th of July when I got 52 views, I was just sky high. As I said, I never expected anybody. I really the people that I expected to watch my videos have been a total letdown. My family. Hey guys, if you're watching now, I'm just busting your chops, but seriously, you are not my most faithful viewers, and that's okay. I get it. So anyway, I thought that I would do this video watching some of the beautiful scenery that I shot. I wanted to tell you that this was on the front. I think this video was done the first time I used my my suction cup mount on my windshield actually on a trip, and I just wanted to see what the video would look like unobstructed. I like this. This was done with my little Git2 camera that you see staring at my face all the time. Little $110 Hero 4 silver clone, and I'll tell you what, this thing I think takes a great little shot. You can't beat it. You can record your audio on it if you want to, and look at that. I think the color is pretty well dead on, and I consider that to have been a real good investment. I'm considering buying another one. If you're considering getting into moto vlogging, it's a really inexpensive way to do it. You don't need an audio back. All you need is a little lavalier microphone, and you are in business. So consider it. It's a Git2. That's the brand name. It's a Git2, and the model is a Git2. It's the 170 degree model. Anyway, folks, that's pretty much all I have to say. I want to thank everybody for just supporting the channel, tuning in. I hope you have liked this video of Vermont. I'm glad I was able to put it to some use. It's a beautiful state. I can't wait to go back. But for this episode of Motorcycle Confessions, and a real big thank you to everyone for getting me to 200 subscribers, that's it. Over and out.